I look into my eyes, but they aren't really mine, not the eyes I used to have. They're the eyes of someone very tired and very sad. And once I see them, I feel even sadder, and then I see that sadness, that compassion for the sadness in my eyes, and I see the water rising in them. I'm both the sad person and the person wanting to comfort the sad person. And then I feel sad for that person who has so much compassion because she's clearly been through the same thing too. And the cycle keeps repeating. It's like when you go into a dressing room with a 3-paneled mirror and you line them up just right to see the long, narrowing hallway of yourselves diminishing into infinity. It feels like that, like I'm sad for an infinite number of myselves. You don't realize how much effort you've put into covering things up until you try to dig them out.